Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai green curry chicken or แกงเขียวหวานไก่ So today I use the chicken breast. I already cut to the bite size. Try to not cut them too thin. Okay, so I already cut all the chicken, and next I'm gonna cut the vegetable. Today I use Thai eggplant. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut, remove the stem, remove the top, the Thai eggplant, and I'm gonna cut 4 pieces. Thai eggplant look like a tomato on the outside, but it's a Thai eggplant, so the inside is looks different because tomato inside will be green also, but this inside will be white and all little seed. Okay, now I done cutting our Thai eggplant, so I'm gonna put in the ice cold water so our eggplant not change the color, stay white. If you not put in the water, it will turn to be brown. Next, I'm gonna cut our bamboo shoot. For bamboo shoot, they sell in the can also, but I pick to buy the whole thing and from the Asian grocery store. So you just cut into the long pieces. I done cut our bamboo, and for the bamboo, I like to add the bamboo in my curry. But if you don't like bamboo, you can skip this one. But bamboo already tastes good, and especially this young bamboo tastes really good in the curry. And the next ingredient that we're gonna prepare is a red sweet pepper. I use 3 today. Same thing, I'm gonna cut into the long pieces. Same, I cut the bamboo. Okay, and we remove the seed. Okay, I use all 3 today. This is not spicy, so just add into to make it extra flavor and extra color. We done cut our red pepper. Okay, I set it on the side. And next, Kaffir lamb leaf. Very important for the ingredient. To prepare our Kaffir lamb leaf, just hold. They look like have 2 leaves, but actually it's 1 pieces. Okay, and hold in the middle and pull. So the middle part will remove because it's hard. We not need the middle part. And Thai curry usually only have the Thai basil also. So I already prepare all the basil. We use 1.5 cup for the basil. Spring season, so that's why all the flower I got it from my friend Lisa. She have a lot of fresh basil in her backyard, so I just go get it. So very beautiful. Okay, now we're gonna start cooking. I turn on the heat to be low heat, and now I add 2 tablespoons the coconut oil. Now our coconut oil is hot. I'm gonna add our green curry. I use 4 ounce the green curry. But remember, use the low heat so your curry not gonna be burned. Just a minute, you can see the coconut oil change the color to be green from the green curry. Now we're gonna add our coconut milk, but for the coconut milk, add a little bit of time. Add the top part first. Yeah, only the top part, because they creamy and they have more oil on the top. Okay, that's it, and then save the rest for next time. Now continue stir. And now you can see the oil separate to the top from the green curry and the coconut milk. In the traditional style, if you use fresh coconut milk, we don't have to add the extra coconut oil, but we use the can, the store buy the coconut milk, so that's why I have to add a little bit the coconut oil. Take you few minutes when your oil cooking and curry smell really good and all the oil separate. Next, we're gonna add our chicken. All the chicken. Oh, look, I made some mess. Okay, And now stir again. I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit to medium. And after we mix all the chicken with the curry already, now I'm gonna add our chicken stock. 1.5 cup chicken stock, and I'm gonna put the lid on and allow it to cook a few minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Okay, and now take about 3 or 4 minutes. Look at it, all the oil separate from the green curry and the coconut milk. Now our chicken already cooked. Now we're gonna add the next ingredient. Okay, and this time we can add our less coconut milk. Okay, next we're gonna add our bamboo shoot. Okay, add all. I hope my pan is not too small for all this. gonna be full, gonna be perfect. Okay, and also our Thai eggplant. Okay, not tomato. Okay, my man keep say tomato. Wow, this is full. It's almost to the top, but I hope they will reduce a little bit. And next, I'm gonna seasoning. Okay, we already have 2 seasonings today because the green curry really full of the flavor already. First, I'm gonna add the palm sugar, 2 tablespoons palm sugar, and no worry about all the ingredients. If I didn't say every ingredient, don't worry. Go to the spoonforheart.com and you will find out all the ingredients. I'll put for you over there. Next, 3 tablespoons the fish sauce. And be careful if you add salt or the fish sauce because the green curry already salty. Okay, and now I'm gonna try to mix. Really be careful because my pan is full. I will try to mix everything. I want the palm sugar to dissolve. Wow. And now we're gonna taste our green curry. Same thing, be careful, hot. Sweet and salty and not too spicy, perfect. If you like, this is up to you at this point. If you like more sweet or more salty or more if you want more spicy, you can add more Thai chili at this time. If you like Thai eggplant, a little bit crunchy, now we can be finished. If you like soft, you can cook a little bit more to get the Thai eggplant soak into the curry a little more. I don't want too soft, so now I'm gonna add our last 3 ingredients. Red pepper and Kaffir lime leaf go in. Okay, and give it a mix a little bit. Let the Kaffir lime get all flavor from the Kaffir lime. Wow, look at this, perfect. And last thing, our Thai basil. I'm gonna turn off the stove and add the 1.5 cup of Thai basil. That's so fresh and beautiful. The Thai basil from my friend again. That's okay. Now we're done. Wow, I'm so excited to try this. Look at how perfect. I never know it will be like even like this because normal I cook with a different pan, and today I will try with the noodle. It's a rice noodle, Vietnamese rice noodle. Okay, I love to eat with the noodle. Okay, now I'm gonna put the green curry on top. You can eat with the jasmine rice also. But it's one of my favorite with the noodle. Look at this. Wow. But the eggplant, it will be so hot like now. Wow. Now I'm ready to try this. I can't wait to try this. Okay, but for my first bite, I would not want to get the Thai eggplant. the noodle a little bit slippery. So I put a noodle, chicken. I'm sorry, a little bit difficult, but because it's noodle, it's not easy. It's slippery. Go slow. I'm sorry. I will try the eggplant now. Yeah, it's hot. Wow, and look at the red bell pepper. This one I'm getting big bite. Wow, really nice and easy for the Thai green curry chicken. The flavor is very browny, hot, sweet, and little salty. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.